G'day guys, Dan from DK Stainless here. Today we're going to do a bit of a review on this EK Plus Electropolishing unit from EASYKleen. We've had this unit now for well over 4 years. It has been absolutely bulletproof. We've cleaned thousands upon thousands of our rehydration station tanks. Literally anything that needs its weld polished, this unit does it, and does it perfectly. Fairly straightforward operation. Plug everything you need. Tig brushing attachments, the earthing unit, plug it into power. Your electrolyte solution, which can be in various different forms, as well as your neutralizer over here. And that literally is just start polishing. This little unit will polish the welds and get rid of any discoloration from all of your welding processes, whether it's your MIG, your TIG, or your stick. And it provides a really high amount of corrosion resistance after this has been polished. We've found with this little EK Plus that we haven't needed to do any other form of polishing, whether it's polishing with a rope mop, buffing. This little unit gets rid of all that completely. The best thing is that EASYKleen is actually Australian made and owned, and it's built right here in Australia. They can be found online. Just jump online to their website and you'll be able to find your nearest stockist. Thanks guys.